Best sauna for apartments. Number 1. Ithera Sauna for apartments. Equipped with folding chairs can weigh 500 pounds, you can sit comfortably and enjoy the sauna. Easy to install and remove, and you can put it in the garage, bathroom, living room, bedroom, and gyms. With this portable sauna, you can take a sauna at home anytime and anywhere. 3 liters large capacity steamer has 9 heating options, giving you the comfortable temperature you want. Timer function for 10 to 60 minutes. The fabric is waterproof and there are 2 storage bags for personal belongings. Enjoy your personal time with peace of mind. The pagoda-shaped design is novel, combined with the classic black color, will perfectly match your home.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Vivor Sauna for apartments. The sauna tent with the head opening helps eliminate toxins from the body. Using it regularly or after exercise can boost metabolism, relieve overall muscle tension, and contribute to improving cardiovascular health and enhancing beauty. 2-liter steam pot, with 9-level temperature adjustment, you can easily regulate the steam temperature according to your personal preferences and body condition. The anti-dry burn design ensures safety while allowing you to enjoy a personalized spa experience. Equipped with a multifunctional handheld remote control, it offers temperature control in the range of 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 134 degrees Fahrenheit and intelligent timer settings from 1 to 60 minutes.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Linigo Sauna for apartments. Portable and easy to assemble, the personal sauna tent. Foldable steam sauna tent is equipped with a comfortable and foldable sauna chair, portable and very easy to assemble and put away. Used high-quality insulation fabrics to prevent heat loss and waterproof. The steam generator is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, rust-proof and durable. It has the functions of anti-leakage and automatic power-off protection for steam generators without water, and can be used safely for a long time. Our portable sauna tent spa, including sauna tent, foldable comfortable chair, 3-liter steam pot, foot massager and remote control. We will give you the most perfect after-sales service.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Tariad Sauna for apartments. The Tariad steam tent has a 304 stainless steel steamer, featuring a heat-resistant and corrosion-resistant inner liner. It is designed with a leak-proof bottom to prevent rust and ensure easy cleaning, resulting in a cleaner and more comfortable sauna experience. This steam tent is ideal for 2 people to use. The household sauna steamer has a capacity of 4 liters and can be used for up to 2 hours. The all-around steam nozzles can fill the entire steam tent in just 8 minutes. Additionally, it has 9 adjustable levels, with a maximum temperature of up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Our sauna tent includes a wireless controller for convenient time and temperature settings.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Giantex Sauna for apartments. Dual controlling ways and 9-level timer. Use the remote control or smart control panel to adjust the timer from 15 minutes to 90 minutes. You can store the remote control or your phone in the convenient storage bag when not in use. The 2-layered tempered glass lid and anti-scalding handle ensure safe operation, while the no-dry heating design and overheat protection provide added security. Waterproof fabric and zippered design. The 4-layered waterproof fabric of this portable sauna is comfortable and long-lasting, and the zippered door and window allow for easy access and air circulation.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.